In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ page on Shopify. Having a clear, frequently asked questions page is one of the easiest ways to reduce support requests and help your customers feel confident when they shop. I'll walk you through creating the page itself and then adding it to your main menu so it's easy to find. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage your store. Once you're on that home screen, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you control anything related to how your site looks and what content appears on it. Under Online Store, you'll see an option called Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section holds all the standard content pages on your site, like About, Contact, and any custom pages you've created. Now, in the Pages section, click on Add Page. This will open a new blank page editor where you can set up your FAQ. At the top, in the title field, type FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. Try to keep it clear and simple, because this is what your customers will see in their browser tab and search results. In the content field below, add your questions and answers. You can format them as question headings followed by short, clear answers. Focus on things customers ask you most often, like shipping times, return policies, sizing details, or payment methods. You can also use headings, bold text, or spacing to make it easier to skim. Next, look for the visibility section on the right-hand side of the page editor. Make sure the page is set to visible so that customers can actually access it on your live store. If it's hidden, your FAQ won't appear even if you add it to a menu. Once you're happy with the content and visibility, click Save. Your FAQ page now exists, but we still need to link it in your navigation so people can find it easily. Back in your Shopify admin, go to the content section, then click on menus. In the list of menus, choose Main Menu. This is usually the navigation that appears at the top of your site. Inside the main menu, click on Add Menu Item. In the label field, type FAQ or whatever name you want customers to see. Then click into the link field. From the options that appear, choose Pages and then select the FAQ page you just created. When that's linked, click Save. Your FAQ page is now live and accessible from your main menu,